Hello everyone. So we have the square root of 3 plus the square root of 5 plus the square root of 9 plus the square root of 15 divided by the square root of 1 plus the square root of 5 plus the square root of 12. So if we solve together and say solution, and we can write that x should be equal to the square root of 3 plus the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3 times 3, which is 9, plus the square root of 3 times 5, which is 15, divided by the square root of 1 plus the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3 times 4, and that is 12. So we'll further simplify this as s is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 times square root of 5 all over square root of 1 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3 times the square root of 4. So if you see, we can, on this part, we have square root of 3, square root of 3, we can factor it out. So s will become square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3 into square root of 3 plus square root of 5, bracket close, all over square root of 1 plus square root of 5 plus 2 times the square root of 3, because the square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 3. So the next line will be s will be equal to, if we want to group this, square root of 3 plus the square root of 5, as we have here, it becomes square root of 3 plus square root of 5, bracket close, plus square root of 3 into square root of 3 plus square root of 5, all over square root of 1 plus square root of 5 plus 2 times square root of 3, and we're fine. So the next thing we do is to factor square root of 3 plus square root of 5 from the two terms. So s will become equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5. So square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 5 to be left with 1, plus here what will be left will be square root of 3, because when you divide, you cancel out, be left with square root of 3. So all over square root of 1 is 1, plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3. 2 square root of 3 is square root of 3 plus square root of 3. All right. So if we agree on these, we want to say let's rearrange. How? Because square root of 3 plus square root of 5 is factored out in the numerator, and in the denominator we're having square root of 3 and square root of 5. We can group the square root of 3 plus the square root of 5 together as we have in the numerator, because the operator is addition. So if we agree on this, we can have s to be equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5 into 1 plus square root of 3, and the denominator will be square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus the bracket plus 1 plus square root of 3 close the bracket. So also we have been able to rearrange the denominator to have the factors that we have at the numerator. That is to say, square root of 3 plus square root of 5 is here, and 1 plus square root of 3, 1 plus square root of 3. The addition is still possible, and we are very fine. So in the next line, we are going to say let m be equals to square root of 3 plus square root of 5, and n be equal to 1 plus square root of 3. So we're representing, anyway, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 5, we're putting m, and 1 plus square root of 3 will be represented by n. So with this, s will therefore become m times n over m plus n. So s is equals to m times n over m plus n. So if we take the reciprocal, then we have it as 1 over s is equals to m plus n all over m times n. Now they have common LCM, so we can write them in separate fractions as 1 over x is equal to m over m times n plus n over m times n. Here we have 1 over s equals to m can cancel m to be left with 1 over n plus n take care of n. Here will be 1 over m. So if we replace the value of m and n, 1 over s therefore will be equals to 1 over 1 plus square root of 3 plus 1 all over square root of 3 plus square root of 5. And here our responsibility is to rationalize these radicals. That is to take the conjugate. So 1 over s will be equal to 1 all over 1 plus square root of 3 times 1 minus square root of 3 over 1 minus square root of 3. Let's put it in bracket, plus 1 all over square root of 3 plus square root of 5 times square root of 3 minus square root of 5 over square root of 3 minus square root of 5. But recall that a plus b and a minus b is given to be a squared minus b squared, where a is 1 plus b is square root of 3 and a is 1 minus square root of 3. Here a is square root of 3 plus square root of 5 and a square root of 3 minus square root of 5. So in this form, we're going to write the denominator, and 1 over s will be equal to, here 1 times 1 minus square root of 3 will be 1 minus square root of 3 all over, here a is 1 squared minus square root of 3 squared, which is b, plus 1 times square root of 3 minus square root of 5 is the same as square root of 3 minus square root of 5 all over, a here is the square root of 3 squared minus b is square root of 5 also squared. All right, so the next line, 1 all over s will become 1 minus square root of 3 all over 1 minus, here the square root will allow us to cancel out the square, so we have 3 left plus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 all over, the square will allow us to cancel the square root also, we have 3 minus, here the same, minus 5. So if we simplify this, we have 1 over s equals to 1 minus square root of 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 over 3 minus 5 is minus 2 also. So let's multiply through by minus 1 so that we can have 1 over s to be equal to square root of 3, because minus times minus square root of 3 to be plus square root of 3, minus times plus 1, it will therefore be minus 1, all over here to be 2, plus 2, plus here to be square root of 5, minus square root of 3, all over 2. And 1 over s in the next line will become, if we take the LCM is common, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, times this to be square root of 3 minus 1. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, times the whole of this to be plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3. But here, square root of 3 can cancel square root of 3 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 3. So the next line, 1 over s will be equal to here, square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. So if we take the reciprocal here once more, so it will now be x equals to 2 all over square root of 5 minus 1. So that s can be equals to 2 all over square root of 5 minus 1 times square root of 5 plus 1 all over square root of 5 plus 1. That's rationalizing it. So what we do next will be s will be equal to 2 times square root of 5 plus 1 will be given as this, plus 1 all over square root of 5 squared minus 1 squared. If you remember the identity. So it becomes s equals to 2 into 5 minus plus 1 all over square, we cancel square root, be 5 minus 1. And 5 minus 1 on the denominator is 4, which becomes 2 into square root of 5 plus 1 over 4. S becomes 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 4, 2, square root of 5 plus 1 over 2. So this is the value for S. Thank you for staying tuned.